Every day, thousands of people work hard to keep our public spaces clean and safe. It is a huge job to organize these daily activities. Joule software provides you with easy-to-use tools in planning and execution of the work. Sweeping, cutting grass, weed control and emptying waste bins, they all become easier when using Joule software with GPS-supported planned assignments. And the great thing is, workers are able to implement their tasks in any geographical area. As the tasks are digitally defined, both instruction time and the risk of errors are reduced to an absolute minimum. Another great benefit is that workers are well informed on their tasks and at which locations they should be executed. A geographical map on their tablet shows their position and provides information on the tasks to be executed. This eliminates friction and makes forgotten tasks a thing of the past. Once the working day is over, planners and workers are able to quickly evaluate the work performed by looking up the data in the web application. When necessary, changes and improvements can be made directly. Planners are instantly informed on the work completed and the achieved productivity level of the day. Joule software. Gain control over planning and execution.